Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you're having an amazing day. Just want to showcase a fresh trade we just got in. 2016 Mercedes GL 550. It's got four-corner air suspension, just over 52,000 kilometers on the odometer. Beautiful blue pearl paint. The previous owner did some paint protection film up here on the front and looks really, really sharp. Big Mercedes star at the front. Looks great. Full of features. We got lane departure, adaptive cruise, all those luxury features. Get the running boards on the side. It's actually got air suspension as well too. So just a moment ago we had it raised up into the off-road 2 mode, off-road 3, and it was quite high to give you that extra ground clearance. Of course, it's a 4MATIC four-wheel drive system, so you're going to have your automatic 4x4, and there's different modes we'll show you when we get up front. But taking a look back here, as you can see real quick, here is the trunk mat. We took it out just to showcase, have to hold it, just to showcase the third row. So the previous owner had the second row folded down and a great big trunk mat, so you got a giant cargo area, but easy comes out and you can put your third row up. But ton of space in here if you want to have the 3 row, or if you fold this down. Wrong way. Everything's all motorized, pretty cool. So yeah, this trunk mat, let's throw it back in here real quick. Show you how much cargo space you actually have. So it's a ton of room. It's like a, it's almost like the size of a van or something. It's really, really cool. 12-volt receptacle on the side. If you want to put electric cooler in here or something like that, you're able to do so. And then we'll just close that up. Hitch on the back, so there is a tow mode, and with the air suspension, you can tow quite a bit of weight with this. Give me a shot of my cell and we can go over all those figures for you. But second row, 3 across the front, or across the middle. I'll just move I had the driver's seat all the way back, so we'll just move this to give you a little better view. Rear DVD entertainment, there's a couple remotes and headphones in the back of the driver's seat there. We have the Designo quilted leather, super sharp, heated seats on the outboard here. Fold this down, get a nice shot of the cup holders. Really, really nice SUV. Everything's just real soft touch everywhere, nice burled wood on the sides. You got your nice shades. A lot of them, our products come from the ground and go up. This comes from the side and hooks all the way across. Super sharp. Taking a look up here, real wood accents everywhere. Heated, ventilated seats up front. In your center console here, there's your drive selects. You got sport, auto, snow mode, some 4x4 features, tow mode over here. And then up front here, you have your air suspension control, 4x4 low range, and a few other features. Button up front right in here, it's got your heated and cool cup holder buttons. You can turn it on, blue for cool, red for hot. Stunning vehicle. Come down, take a look at it. Alcantara headliner, panoramic sunroof. Just all the features you expect on a vehicle this caliber. Give me a shout out myself, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.